Good morning, friends. It is a gorgeous, sunny, beautiful, warm morning here at Everdeen, and I'm very excited because there's a lot of exciting things happening today. First off, the electrician is here. Huge relief because the electricity in this house is super sketchy and we're just redoing everything. Everything is getting redone. There's an entirely new electrical system going in, and so the electrician is starting on that today, which is very exciting. The second exciting thing happening here today is that I have two very special guests who have just arrived from the US. They are my parents, who are so sweet and kind to come here and help me with my total lack of skills. Fortunately, my dad is a really good handyman and, well, claims to know what to do for quite a lot of these situations. I'm so excited to have them here. They are coming over for a good chunk of time, and you'll meet them in just a minute. I'm going to go and start breakfast, and we're going to have a nice family breakfast, and you guys will get to meet my adorable and kind, selfless parents. What else is happening today? I'm going to rearrange some furniture in my bedroom. There's just a chunk of things that need to go. This daybed situation is not the one. These are all gonna go as well. That's my foot. Hi, foot. Yeah, I think those are the highlights. So I'm going to go seek out the parents who will henceforth be known as Helper 1 and Helper 2, just to keep reminding them they're here to help. Here's a helper number 2, Mom, and helper number 1. And some fruits and things we're having for breakfast. So you can hear the electrician happening in the background there. So goals for today. Any thoughts, helpers? That was very useful. Thank you.
What was the thing?
I said, what do you have in mind as goals for today? Things we need to get done.
Not to get caught by Dracula when we open this, when we have to throw his coffin out the window to get more room.
All right, so we'll leave the attic till another day.
Okay.
I'd like to get all the wallpaper off the walls in the living room. So if I could have some wallpaper tearing help. That'll be fun though, I think. I think that'll be a fun one. And then, hello, it's editing me from the future. And I'd like to say that I was deeply, deeply wrong and misguided here. It was not fun. It was not a fun project. Did not enjoy. You'll notice my mother's wise reaction here. She was correct. I was wrong. It was a bad project. I might go tie up the grapevines later, so if you maybe wanted to stand at the bottom of the ladder and hand me grapevine tying equipment, like wire and clippers.
No problem there.
That would be a nice
She'll
one.
be an expert at
She's been volunteered. This is what happens when you're silent during the ideas meeting. You get volunteered for things. Today's project, removing all of this wallpaper. This all needs to go because I'm going to paint this room. And I think that if I have time, after all the wallpaper is gone, this is very ambitious. It was way, way too ambitious. I'm going to try to ride my bike into town, go to the paint store, and get a few paint samples so that we can start looking at exactly what color we're going to do these walls. So, next up, ripping down wallpaper. It's coming off. It's not as easy as I was hoping it would be. Yes, I am scraping dry wallpaper off of the wall here. I know now that this was a horrible mistake and that you had to wet it first. I have been informed, and I think that I've suffered appropriately from my mistake, because it was awful. It was awful.
Yeah, but the wall is nice and smooth underneath. And I'll tell you what, getting off wallpaper is a lot easier than having to smooth out a whole rough wall that's full of cracks and holes and pieces falling off.
Oh, don't worry. We've got a lot of rough walls to smooth out.
Right.
Like the entire stairway across all 3 floors and like 3 of the bedrooms, I think. So we'll have fun with that too.
Now that tool is working pretty good, right?
Yeah.
And it's a cheap tool. Buy it in any hardware store. and it just uses typical scraper knives, and the tool is about $3, and a set of about 5 blades is about $3.
I didn't realize that Stanley Scrapers was sponsoring
Well, it's
you.
any scale. You don't have to get any brand. It's just
My
a plastic
helpers
hound.
have been hijacked already by big business. There were plants all
Yeah, but I'll
along.
tell you something, having the right tool makes all the difference in the world. For instance, you take that putty knife you were using and try to do that, and you don't get anywhere because you need that sharp edge. And the other thing is, after you've used it, say after you've done 2 walls in this room, you want to change out the blade.
You've hit maximum dad now.
Maximum what?
Maximum dad. This is maximum dad level of home craftsmanship.
Thanks a lot.
What did you find? There's something written under there.
Mm-hmm. As I peel back the paper, there's some writing. There's R-O-U-L. That might be a name.
Is that Raul, but
I
misspelled?
don't know. I don't know.
Something 30. Oh yeah, there's like a whole
30
sentence under there.
something.
I don't know, I can't read it, but there's some kind of, someone's been doing
I'll
math.
take a picture of it.
And then there's this, I'm gonna say name, and then it looks like we've lost 2 words on the left there. We've acquired helper number 2 onto the wallpaper project. Oh, that's going well. Helper number 2 was told to sit down and have a break, but did not take instructions well.
What else is new?
This is addictive. It is really fun in a way, isn't it? Why is there an electrical wire just hanging on up here?
That'd be out of the way.
Did you cut through an electrical wire?
No, ma'am, it was just hanging there all the time.
What?
Oh, it was laying here on the floor. All I did is put it up out of the way.
It's really good that we have the electricians in this week. I'm just beginning to realize how much of a hazard this was. How's that going? I have scraped all of the wallpaper off of these doors. So they are all 4 of the doors that had this 70s wallpaper on it are now nice and clear. And then we have gotten, I'm gonna say 80% of the wallpaper off of the walls in the living room. Is that your face about wallpaper scraping? Are you really tired of it?
My nails will never be the same.
Oh no. Well, it's been a long day of working, but it's not over yet because I am about to walk into town. But before I do, I wanted to show you our extra little surprise project that we got done today, which is rearranging my bedroom a bit. Moved that armoire over to the side. I was able to finally put my bedside stand into place and move the bed over a little bit. And then add in the new chest of drawers that I got. And then eventually I'm going to take out this day bed and replace it with maybe a vanity or maybe a cushy armchair. But that has not happened yet. It is looking much more organized in here and like I want it to. So that is a big accomplishment today. And then also there's a chandelier that has been bought for this room but has not been hung yet. So that will soon be a beautiful antique chandelier instead of this strange plastic jar thing. Anyway, I feel accomplished. I feel like we've gotten a lot done today and we've got workmen here. I mean, right now, as I leave, the plumber and the electrician are still downstairs working, and the carpenter came by earlier today to look at what needs to be done for knocking out a wall and also for repairing a little bit of the covered terrace outside. So yeah, I'm very, very, very happy with making some progress. Anyway, I will keep you updated in the videos with all the other projects that are happening. There's going to be a huge visible difference soon, like really soon. You're going to be able to start seeing massive changes, which is very exciting. And I think that's about it for this video. So yeah, I gotta go. I'll see you guys later. Bye.